Step 1. Take off the airbag. There are 2 holes on the side of the steering wheel. 2 screws are holding the airbag. Use Torx screwdriver to loosen 2 screws. Then to take off the airbag, there are clips holding it. Slowly but with force to unclip the airbag up. And use 2 screwdrivers to help you press the tabs to unplug the airbag. The yellow and 2 black plugs. Now you can remove the airbag. Step 2. Take off the old steering wheel. Here's a bolt holding the steering wheel. Get a socket wrench to move this bolt. Now we can take off the steering wheel. Step 3. Install the new yoke steering wheel. Then put the yoke back to the same way the old one came off. Install back the bolt and fasten it. Connect the color corresponding cables back. Correspond to the clip position. Push the airbag in, make sure the it's fixed, then install back the screws on the side hole to fix the airbag.